All right, welcome to week 3. I'm excited to read everyone's Canvas 2 posts and the interview. I'm really excited for the interviews. Those are one of my favorite assignments just to kind of get a feel about what you're thinking. If you haven't turned it in yet, make sure that really you focus on kind of where you and your person differ and what those general beliefs are that you think are out in the mainstream world that don't actually fit the educational piece of things. I don't want as much of a summary as it is your analysis of it. We'll just give it a quick word. Miss Wormwood, yes, Calvin. You can present the material, but you can't make me care. Rumor has it she's up to 2 packs a day, unfiltered. So today we're going to do the classical philosophies, idealism, realism, neo-scholasticism, and that's already up, and you can take a look at that lecture. Um, Again, we'll go over some of the midterm questions that are going to be associated with the classical philosophies. Case study versus idealism versus realism, case study, good grace or good life lesson. Those are all things that you're going to need to turn in this week. And then your interviews. So our goal is today is to learn idealism, realism, neo-scholasticism, which are all presented in chapter 3, and then to choose 2 points from the classical philosophies that you can relate to. Your weekly participation are end of chapter 3 questions, and then the 2 case studies. So our big for the midterm, I think these are going to be really important for you to know. So first, you're going to need to know the difference between metaphysics, epistemology, and axiology or value theory. I go back and forth between those two terminologies, but just know the difference between those three and know the components of those three. Know what it means to have those three, not just more of like metaphysics and knowing what's real. I need more than that. What are the components of metaphysics? And then to be able to identify and compare the classical philosophies of idealism and realism. Not as much about neo-scholasticism, but the 2 big ones, idealism, which is Plato, and realism, which is Aristotle. So that's going to be it for the week. Again, coming up, you've got that paper turned in. Hopefully you're turning that interview paper by Thursday and everything's good to go. If you have any questions, please let me know.